crack bar.
I'm my own village and this is my crew. We straight pillage looking for adventure, something to do. The world is my playground and I'm climbing to shoot like in lasagna. I'm the G that stays you, level 100. That's the top in the game I'm on. Got the components, put it together, still training on. Seamlessly, easily, I craft this merger. The beat in me and the flow is microphone murder. Ain't sure you heard her, you sure of the way that I get ill on them. Wrote this rap, taking a break from the kill on them. Resting up till the new shit gets dropped on them. The cloud of the smoke, you know the endo assists the flow. The way that I roll, I'm high as a bitch. You already know the system of wicked and twisted. No matter the tactics, can't prevent this flow the way that it goes. It's that I'm just getting the dough. You know that it's all owed. Inclusion for bruising, these rappers all losing. Don't care if you think you got it, my way's the movement. Clone rappers stone backwards, the cover up, feeling breezing. This season my pen is bleeding. Sometimes you gotta look them in the eye and confront them demons and find the true meaning. The globe is catching the light from my bulb, likely to die from the fire in the soul. Screaming in pain as my rap's just a ghost. Now you are done, your insults are results. Asymmetrical, ain't hypothetical. Your shine is dull, my life's brilliant, incredible. Your bitch think that I'm edible. In my opinion, my dominion is top dog. Fuck a Trump or Clinton. Biden is a skeevy ass politician. My politician, my position is all existence. These rappers are no nutrition. Got the flow and I'm all ambition. Want my pension and then my tension and my retention. Schooling them and it's all detention. Got flow like a water basin. And I've been told that this shit is amazing. Chemistry in my brain is different. Move playing this around solar systems in an instant. Pistol Pete, I'm a fucking beast. Got you whining like an infant. Bounce across time for more space to recline. Refine it each time, define it each rhyme. Morph it to an athlete on his feet. There's a chord. Need to make some music cause these rappers got me bored. I don't need a cabinet, I'm the supreme ruler. Most of y'all got the IQ of a high schooler, preschooler. Chilling in my capital, about my capital. Making a collection, Hall of Presidents, the selection is me. Excel till I corrected the spelling. I can write the paragraphs, but my word of what sells me. No more serfdom, coin well, that's when I really emerge, son. Bumping out soliloquies, trekking over 7 seas. From the barracks to the penitentiary, to the seasons, no double tree. Get a tissue, sorry, I abuse and misuse rappers past the curfew. All I've done is pay them dues. Ghost riding and blowing trees, that's what I'm gonna do.